गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सो मार्केट एक रूप अनेक, ये कहावत बड़ी फिट बैठती है स्टॉक मार्केट में। नो डाउट मार्केट के रूप बहुत ज़्यादा अनेक है। इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली अनएक्सपेक्टेड, ऑलवेज बिहेविंग। सो वी हैड डिस्कस इन Thursday evening night the market is looking completely bearish mode, and we had discussed about the bearish engulfing which is formed Thursday trading session. वेडनेसडे ये ग्रीन कैंडल और इसको पूरा कवर किया थर्सडे की कैंडल ने, और मार्केट काफ़ी ज़बरदस्त तरीके से डाउनफॉल हुआ था। 19,860 से मार्केट 19,600 क्लोज हुआ। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सितंबर निफ्टी फ्यूचर, एंड we had discussed in detail Thursday evening video session that overall the trend is bearish, so strategy would be sell on rise ka, but there was apply the condition. If you go back and see my videos there again, I clearly mentioned there, if the condition is apply, if market open next day below the closing price of previous day candle, then the market would be then the market can be test 19,400 450 level. On behalf of this condition we applied here, if market open gap down, then nifty can be test 19,450 and higher side 19,610. And what we had discussed about gap up opening. So higher side 19,700 we took, and downside we took 19,550 level. And in Friday morning session market open gap up, slightly open gap up. It's not about the big opening, slightly. I'll show you. This is the 5-minute charts of Nifty. So you can see here 28 सितंबर का कैंडल क्लोजिंग here. उसके बाद मार्केट जो है ऊपर खुला 30 पॉइंट लगभग ऊपर खुला, और पहली कैंडल ने ही 19,690 का हाई बनाया, और उसके बाद मार्केट प्रीवियस क्लोजिंग को तोड़ के थोड़ा नीचे गया, एंड देन मूव अप एंड अप एंड अप. बुलिश फ्लैग पैटर्न फॉर्मिंग हियर इन फ्राइडे ट्रेडिंग सेशन, एंड मार्केट गो अप अगेन, एंड इट टेस्ट 19,800 अराउंड, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इट टेस्ट 19,800, एंड देन मूव गो डाउन अगेन 19,686 and close near 19,700. So this is the chart of the 28 September trading session, completely downside. A single trend line we can draw here, no matching of with other second trend line, no requirement here, only single trend line we can draw here. And what we had seen in Friday trading session, market completely behave unexpected levels with unexpected trend. Anyways, I didn't do anything on a particular day. I just was the blank on that same day, because my strategy is completely clear. If market closing downside, if we are looking bearish trend into the market, then the condition applied for the next day trade, if market open gap down, then we can start our trade, otherwise we hold our trade, right? The same I behave in Friday trading session. I did nothing. Now if I talk about weekly chart, weekly chart is saying that the market is bearish. You can see here, this is the chart of 18 September to 25th September, and this is the candle of from 23rd September to 27th. Just hold on. Sorry. Yes. Yeah. So this is the chart from 25th September to 29th September, right? This is the candle. So weekly chart is saying, weekly chart is looking clearly bearish. There is no more doubts, there is no more questions over here. But if we look upon the day candle, then we can see here the support of 19600 level, 19,600. We can see here a pullback into the market on from 4th September, then market go upside, non-stop go upside from this level only, right? So the point is, now my opinion is, my personal opinion for me only, not for you, short term trend is bearish, long term trend is still looking bullish. If I talk about 200 EMA, market is above, market is trading above 200 EMA as of now, and but 50, if we look 50 EMA, market is trading below 50 EMA, right? So we can see here short term trend is bearish, but the long term trend is still bullish. 19,610 level is, I would say, this is the major support level. I would see, I can say here, support 1 is 19,600. What would be the support second? We can see here 19,500, right? So we talk about short term, long term trend indication. Major support level we had discussed in details today video session. We had discussed about the Friday trading session, and we had discussed about also weekly chart, weekly pattern, weekly technical levels. So weekly technical levels are looking still bearish. अगर हम बात करें FIDI डेटा, FII 1685 का सेलिंग कैश मार्केट सेगमेंट में, DII 2700 करोड़ का बाय, विच इज़ आई वुड से कि बुलिश ट्रेंड की तरफ ही इंडिकेशन है ओवरऑल अगर बात करें तो. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट निफ्टी बैंक, 300 point near about closing upside on Friday trading session, and if we talk about the supporting stocks in Friday trading session, that was ICICI Bank, Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance, Reliance Industry as well, Hindalco also. And downside, Adani Enterprises, Mindtree, Infosys, TCS, I mean IT sector not able to perform well. Now if we see the pivot levels here, these are good indicators for further trading session. If we do look upon classic levels, S1 support is 19,550, right? S2 19,463, 19,375, Fibonacci 19,570 support 1, Camarilla 19,622, what we had discussed right now, 19,606. So this would be the interesting that how the market will open on coming Tuesday 3rd of October, because we will have a 2nd of October holiday for National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange as well. All the market remaining closed on 2nd of October. So the point is, now due to Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, अपना सिस्टम खोल के मत देखना प्लीज़, राइट, गलती से भी, कि मार्केट चल तो नहीं रहा है कहीं, राइट. सो मार्केट कंप्लीटली क्लोज रहेगा, पूरा दिन के लिए क्लोज रहेगा. अभी अगर हम बात करें नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग लेवल्स के बारे में, तो नेक्स्ट अपकमिंग लेवल्स जो हैं डिपेंड अपॉन द ओपनिंग on 3rd of October, completely depend upon it, because I always discuss about the opening levels. If do market open flat, the scenario is different. If do market open downside, the scenario is different. If do market open gap up opening, a big gap up opening, then the scenario is different. So I always depend upon the market opening, and if the market opening is matching with our technicals indicators, then we start the trade. And I would request to all of you, you may follow market openings, which is the most important, I would say, to identify the trend into the market. So if I talk about Friday trading session, higher Nifty 19,794, lower 19,638 and closing 19,700. Volume 72,51,000, 27% down. देखिए यहाँ पे एक्चुअली इफ आई वुड से सॉरी, सो आई वॉज डिस्कसिंग अबाउट 19,800 का लेवल एंड डाउन साइड 19,640 लगा मार्केट. लेकिन यहाँ पे ओपन इंटरेस्ट का अगर आप थोड़ा सा एक बार इसको क्लोजली मॉनिटर करेंगे, देखिए मार्केट डाउन गया जब थर्सडे को, देन ओपन इंटरेस्ट राइजेस 52% एंड सॉरी वॉल्यूम राइजेस 52% एंड ओपन इंटरेस्ट राइज एज वेल 30% नियर अबाउट. बट जब मार्केट वापस से बाउंस बैक किया, वहां पे वॉल्यूम और ओपन इंटरेस्ट कहीं पे भी सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहा है. सो द पॉइंट इज, कंक्लूजन इज कि मार्केट जब नीचे जा रहा है तो वॉल्यूम बढ़ रहे हैं, ओपन इंटरेस्ट बढ़ रहा है, इट मीन्स मार्केट बियरिश है. लेकिन जब मार्केट रिवर्स जा रहा है तो वॉल्यूम माइनस हो रहा है और ओपन इंटरेस्ट भी माइनस हो रहा है. तो एज आई रिमेंबर माई ऑल डेज, when I go through the technical levels, kind of I would say कि जब मैं वॉल्यूम और ओपन इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूलाज देखता हूँ, तो जहाँ पे भी प्राइस अगर डाउन साइड पे है और वहाँ वॉल्यूम और ओपन इंटरेस्ट तेज़ी से बढ़ रहे हैं, तो मार्केट वहाँ पे बेरिश ही होता है, राइट. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस वी हैड डिस्कस थर्सडे इवनिंग वीडियो सेशन दैट कि मार्केट is completely bearish and we can follow the strategy sell on rise. बट फ्राइडे को बिल्कुल ही अलग रहा एकदम से. बट यहाँ पे डिफरेंट तो रहा मार्केट, बहुत ज़्यादा रिकवरी दिया, बाउंस बैक दिया एक, लेकिन वहाँ पे अगर हम वॉल्यूम और ओपन इंटरेस्ट का रोल प्ले करें तो they are not supporting to the bullish trend into the market. So they are reverse. जब प्राइस ऊपर गया तो वॉल्यूम घटा और ओपन इंटरेस्ट घटा, लेकिन जब प्राइस नीचे आया, डाउन साइड पे आया, तो वॉल्यूम बढ़ा और ओपन इंटरेस्ट भी बढ़ा. सो दे आर इंडिकेटिंग दैट मार्केट शॉर्ट टर्म इज इन बियरिश मोड, राइट. So let's discuss about upcoming levels on 3rd of October, how the market can behave. So the overall the trend is bearish. I am again on the same statement. Strategy only sell on rise, right. Now if market open gap down, then it may downside. 19,700 का क्लोजिंग हुआ, 19,640 का लो था, देन 19,600, 19,720, राइट, एंड हायर साइड 19,720. If market open gap up, then it may be higher side. $19,750 and downside 19,650, 19,600. So I am expecting completely here that the market, if go upside on 3rd of October, if slightly open gap up slightly, then we can follow the strategy sell on rise, right. Otherwise ignore the market. If market open flat, if market open a big gap up opening, if remaining on the 3rd of October, then ignore the I would say the trading hours of 3rd of October. I just say it's my personal opinion. If market open flat, then Nifty can see trade within the range 19,610, 19,720. So I am expecting the overall the levels 19,600, 19,700, nothing else. So this is all about today. I hope you are enjoying my Nifty levels, and again I would request to all of you, those are watching my videos regularly, that if you are observing that I need to get fix something else into my video, if you feel anywhere else that I need to add something extra in this session, then please, my humble request to all of you, that please comment into the comment box, so I can filter my videos accordingly to the viewers, and this would be grateful for me. So thank you so much. Keep learning, keep watching my videos, and stay connected with me. Thank you very much. Thank you.